had practiced whatever I taught you in the previous 3 videos, and today we have come to the concluding part of this integers, where we'll be discussing about the addition of integers on the number line, subtraction, as well as we'll be solving some important numbers on simplification. So let's get started. Adding or addition on a number line. How to add numbers on a number line? Already you have read how to add numbers. Yes or no? How to add integers, you know. But how to add them on a number line? So let us practice that, right? Let me write down all the questions here. I have brought some questions for you. The first is +2, +3. Okay, let us solve it one by one. That will be more easy. +2, +3. The next will be solved. Okay. So the first question is +2, +3. How will you add? You know it's +5. Obviously, it's +5. We know that. But how to add on the number line? So for that, let us draw the number line. By looking at the question itself, you should judge that you need the positive numbers more here than the negative numbers. So put 0 somewhere here, because this side is positive, so we want more positive numbers than negative. No need to write so many numbers here, because here no chance of getting a negative answer, because both are plus. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will like this. Okay. +2. 0. So now the first thing what I'm going to do is +2. I told you, positive. It is a positive 2. Right side towards 0 is positive. Left side towards 0 is negative. Or moving towards the right shows positive, moving towards the left shows negative. So what you can do here now? +2 means from 0 to +2. It's here. Yes or no? So +2 refers to the distance from 0 to 2. So +2 already we have represented. We have moved 2 steps. Then now next is what? +3. Again from here 3 steps towards right, because it is carrying what sign? Plus sign. So you will be moving towards the right side, right? So again 1, 2, 3 steps towards the right. Clear? So what is the number that you obtain here? 5, and you know it is +2 +3 is +5 only, or 5. Yes, it is as simple, you see. The first number is positive, the next number also positive. How to add 2 positive numbers on a number line? From 0, go to the first positive number. Then from that positive number, go to the next that much steps towards the right side. Okay? Next. Let us take the second question. Like suppose you want to add -2 and +3. Both the numbers are negative here in this case. -2 plus -3. I know most of you must have started doing that. Right. Okay. So -2 plus -3 again. Let's draw the number line. Here we'll be needing more of negative, so let us bring the 0 this side. 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. 0 is the center, right? Now, the first number from 0 is negative. Move towards the left. From 0 up to -2, right? Next number, you're adding it to, again, -3. Adding what? -3. So -3 means 3 steps again towards the right, towards the left. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3. 3 steps again from here towards the left. So what do you obtain? What do you obtain? -5, right? You're absolutely right. You obtain what? -5. Now the third question. +5 plus -3. +5 plus -3. +5 plus -3. Right? Let's draw the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. So now, plus 5. The first number is positive. Towards the right. Plus represents towards the right. So move from 0, 5 steps towards the right. So I'll be moving from here 5 steps up to 5. Okay. 5 steps I have moved towards the right. And now the second number is negative, minus 3. So that means you have to move 3 steps back towards the left because it is minus 3. So 1 step, 2 step, 3 step and stop here. See, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step towards the left. Why did you move towards the left? Because it is minus 3. Why did you move to 5 steps towards the right? Because it is plus 5. So what is the answer you obtained? 2. The answer you obtained is 2. And you know that 5 minus 3 is actually what? 2. Clear? So I hope the idea is clear with you all. Now let us come to the subtraction on a number line. And after that, we'll be solving some important questions on integers. So you should keep on practicing along with me. Okay? So now, the next number. Subtracting. The first question. Okay, let's write down the heading. Subtracting on a number line. Subtracting on a number line. Question number 1 is, let us take minus 4 from plus 6. You know that. You know how to solve it. I know. You know it. What is that? From. So it will be 6 plus 6 or 6. Subtraction sign. It is plus 6 plus 4 plus 10. Like that you are able to solve it very easily. But how to solve it on the number line? So now you can judge it. We need more of positive here. So what shall we do? Take 0 somewhere here. 0. 1. Sorry, minus 1. Excuse me. So let us draw the number line. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, we have already drawn the number line. Now, you have to subtract what? Minus 4 from plus 6. Minus 4 from plus 6. So the first thing that you are going to do is, how much you have to take minus 4 up to 6. You have to take minus 4 up to 6. So just see here. Where is minus 4? Minus 4 is here. Okay. So what you will do here? Your minus 4 is here. So whatever is the subtrahend is what? Minus 4. Remember it. After from, minuend. Before from, subtrahend. So you have to take the subtrahend towards the minuend. So where is the minuend? It's, what is the minuend? Plus 6. So let us take it up to plus 6. And stop there. Right? Let's take it to plus 6 and stop there. How many steps have you moved? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You moved 10 steps. And in which direction did you move? You moved in right direction. Towards the right shows positive. And what is the answer? Positive 10. Okay, so you moved 10 steps towards the right. So it is positive 10. Okay, let us take the next question. Okay, the next question we have here. Yes, let me see. Minus 3 from minus 7. Both are negative in this case. You will start trying now itself, everyone. Plus 2 from minus 7. Plus 2 from minus 7, right? Okay. Minus 3 from minus 7. Minuend is minus 7. Subtrahend is minus 3. You have to take minus 3 up to minus 7. Little bit of experience, you should know that here you don't need more of positive numbers. So we can put the 0 here. 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. We need it. Okay. So what is the subtrahend? Subtrahend is minus 3. Subtrahend is minus 3. And you have to bring this minus 3 up to minus 7. So, I'll be bringing it up to minus 7. How many steps did I move? 1, 2, 3, 4. In which direction did I move? In which direction did I move? Towards the left. So, answer will be a negative 4. I moved 4 steps towards the left in bringing the subtrahend towards the minuend. You can just check it also if you want. Minus 7 minus 3. Minus 7 plus 3 is equal to how much? Minus 4, right? Let's go to the next question. Plus 2 from minus 7. Subtrahend is plus 2. Subtrahend is what? Plus 2. You have to move from 2 up to minus 7. Okay? So I need only up to 2, so I will just write up to 2 here. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Clear? So now, what I have to do now? I have to move this 2 up to minus 7. So 2 is here. I'll just moving it towards minus 7. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 steps towards left is minus 9. Check it once again. Plus 2 from minus 7. Minus 7 minus plus 2. Minus 7 minus 2, that is equal to how much? Minus 9. Clear? So I hope you understood this, how to subtract on a number line, right? If you want, you can take a screenshot of this. Okay. So after this, now we will be coming directly to some of the important numbers which are there in our exercises based on simplify. We'll be solving some numbers on simplify. Let me write on the questions here. Question number. So simplify. How to simplify integers? Here. Question number 1. 73 of 85 minus 6 multiplied to 7 plus 23 minus 4. 23 minus 4 of minus 5 curly bracket, square bracket. So I do hope that you all know the rule of bracket. Bottommost rule you should know, you are knowing, I know. Apart from that, the bracket rule. First is the vinculum or the bar bracket. In this order, you are going to open the brackets if the vinculum or the bar bracket is there. Next is the parenthesis or the common bracket. Then you have the curly bracket. then you have the what? Square bracket. Then you have the square bracket. So let's start solving it. So where we have the common bracket here, we are having, yes or no? Let's start. 73 of 85. Copy as it is, whatever. We don't want these things now. Our first focus should be on the parenthesis or the common bracket, and in between this bracket you have what? Of. First preference is, I think there should be one more bracket here. Yes. Okay. The first preference should be the common bracket, and inside this common bracket the various operations you are having, but of is the primary one. Okay. So 6 multiplied to 7 plus 23. I wrote up to 23 only here. Okay. Now just see carefully, please. Don't hurry. You have to solve it very peacefully and slowly, otherwise you may make mistakes. Right. So now you see here, of means multiply. 4 multiplied to 5 is 20. But after multiplying, you know you have to multiply what? The sign. Clear? So both are negative. So minus multiplied to minus will give you a plus. I told you, if there are odd number of signs, answer is negative. If there are even number of signs, the answer is positive. So here you will be getting what? Plus 20. Okay, just solve this part. Next, our target is 23 plus 20. 73 of 85 minus 6 multiplied to 7 plus, add this 2. You are getting how much? 43. Clear? Next. Why did we add? Because first we have to solve the bracket. Now this bracket is removed. Now the next target is the curly bracket, right? The curly bracket you have to solve. 73 of 85 minus, inside the bracket you have multiplication as well as addition. So first solve the multiplication. 6 7s are 42 plus 43. Clear? Right? Now you add these two. Solve the curly bracket. 73 of 85 minus, so 42 plus 43 is 85. It's a positive 85. So simply open the bracket now. Clear? Now you have 73 of 85 minus 85 is obviously 0, and 73 multiplied to 0 will give us a 0, right? Carefully understand each step, and accordingly, slowly you have to solve. Very carefully you have to solve. Okay? Let's come to the next question. Let's take the next question now. Minus 5 square bracket 6 divided by 3 multiplied to minus 2 bracket close minus square bracket again 9 minus 5 multiplied to 2 bracket closes. Yes, this is the question. Now let us solve it. So now you can see here we have a square bracket, and inside the square bracket you have division and you have multiplication as well. So very carefully you have to solve it. Division is here, multiplication. So first you need to divide according to Bodmer's rule. So 6 divided by 3 will give us what? 2 multiplied to minus 2. Simply we have divided these two and written the answer. Okay? Don't be greedy. Just solve one thing at a time. Then, now here, what are you having? 9 minus, okay? You have minus and you have multiplication. What you should solve first? Multiplication, right? So minus 5 multiplied to 2. Minus 10. This minus sign is this. And this minus 10 comes from the product of minus 5 and 2. Do you remember it, okay? So without bracket, if you are opening it, the answer will differ. Okay, so be very careful about that. Next, minus 5. Now, 2 multiplied to minus 2 is minus 4. Already I know you are well aware with the rules. So I have no need to repeat it again and again. Go through. Now open the bracket by multiplying the sign. Minus multiplied by minus will give you a plus 10. Clear? So, there is no sign in between. So you have to multiply. There is no sign in between. You need to multiply. 5 multiplied to 4, 20. Minus multiplied to minus, plus. Here, 20 minus. 9 plus 10, inside the bracket what are you having? 9 plus 10, it's obviously 19. So the answer is 1. The answer is 1. Okay? Keep practicing all the sums in your exercises. Okay? That is very much essential. Maths itself needs a lot of practice. You should practice maths every day. Dedicate time for it. This will enhance your calculation speed and bring more confidence in you, right? Let us come to the last question of the simplify. Write along with me. 4 divided by, it's plus. 4 plus 4 multiplied to 5 divided by minus 2 minus 6 curly bracket closes divided by minus 6. Remember the question, everyone. 4 plus 4 multiplied to 5 divided by minus 2 minus 6. Okay, let's solve it now. Inside this curly bracket, okay, you have common brackets. Yes or no? So inside this common bracket, there is an operation of multiplication. You should solve it first, right? It is not a single number you can see. You should solve it first, right? 4 plus 4 multiplied to 5. 20. 20 is divided by minus 2. Clear? First solve the bracket. The first preference always be bracket. Okay? Then minus 6 divided by minus 6. Clear? Now next. You have plus and you have division. First go for division. 4. Don't write the sign now. Please don't write the sign. Stop here itself. 20 divided by 2. I told you first divide without sign. 20 divided by 2 will give us a 10. Will give us a 10. 20 is positive, 2 is negative. Obviously the answer will be negative. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. Answer will always be negative. The sign rule. Clear? Then you have minus 6 divided by minus 6. Now, inside the bracket you can solve it in this manner. You see this is positive 4. I am just writing it down. Positive 4. I have here minus 10, minus 6. So what I do here, these both are negative. I told you the rule number 3 of addition subtraction. Both are negative. Add and give negative sign. So 4 minus 16 divided by minus 6. So 4 minus 16. Both the numbers are carrying opposite sign. So subtract. 16 minus 4 is 12. Which is greater? The greater number is 16. Carrying what sign? Minus 12. Okay, you want to put the bracket, you can put it. Divided by minus 6. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. Both are minus. Answer will be plus. So this is the answer for this question. Okay. So this was the concluding part on integers. I do hope students you will be practicing now numbers in your exercises so that you become more so that these new concepts become more clear to you. So you need a lot of practice for that. Keep on practicing. I want you all to become perfect on integers. Okay. So keep studying, stay safe, and complete all the numbers that I have done on the board.